Question 4 from your mock examination. Some students try to approach this using the long division algorithm. That's not a mistake, but it's a lot of algebra that you need to do. It's time consuming and you can make careless mistakes. The simplest way is to remember the factor and remainder theorem. So, if f of x has a factor of x plus 2, it means that f of minus 2, remember, is a remainder when the polynomial is divided by x plus 2. So the remainder must be 0. And the same f leaves a remainder of 27 when divided by x minus 1. So f of 1 must be 27. You have two equations with two unknowns, a and b. So you can solve the simultaneous equations. The question asks, show that b equals 40. You cannot use the fact that b equals 40. You need to reformulate the question as find b and find the value of a. If you don't get b equals 40, then somewhere you've made a mistake, and in the next question you should take b equals 40 as the correct value to continue with. Right? So we replaced x by minus 2 and x by 1, and we got the equations in yellow. So now we have already f of x equals 6x cubed minus 5x squared minus 14x plus 40. And we need to factorize. So one method would be just to divide it by x plus 2. Long division, 6x cubed minus 5x squared minus 14x plus 40 divided by x plus 2. Long division. So we get x plus 2 bracket x 6x squared minus 17x plus 20. This is f of x. Another method could be just you need to write 6x cubed minus 5x squared minus 14x plus 20 as x plus 2 bracket a quadratic. What's the coefficient of x squared? So x cubed will give you just when you multiply x times x squared, and you must have 6x cubed, so therefore you must have 6x squared here. Now, what's a free term? The term with no x. It comes from only from 2 times the term with no x here. It must be, near 20, but must be 40. Therefore, the term here must be 20. And you still need to find qx. Let's decide, for example, on the coefficient of x squared. The coefficient of x squared, when you multiply, will be q squared from this one and this one plus 12x squared from these two, and you must get minus 5x squared, so q must be minus 17. Same result as above. Okay, we now know many things about f of x. It's factorized, so see how the previous questions lead us to answer the last question. So we know f of x in the factorized form. This is what we are going to use. X plus 2 bracket 6x squared minus 17x plus 20 equals 0. Solutions: x equals minus 2, or from 6x squared minus 17x plus 20 equals 0. But here the discriminant is negative, is b squared, 17 squared minus 4 times 6 times 20, which is smaller than 0, therefore no real solutions. You'll learn in IB higher level that actually this equation has solutions, but in another set of numbers. So for now, there are no real solutions. So x equals minus 2 is the only solution of this equation.